A tiny dust particle floats into your nose. It looks harmless, but to your body, this is an armed invader breaching the perimeter. The invaders touch the cilia, tiny hairs that act as motion sensors. They send a code red signal straight to the brainstem. The brain takes command. Initiate purge sequence. First, you take a massive breath. Your lungs expand to maximum capacity. This is the fuel. The trap. The vocal cords slam shut. The chest muscles squeeze the lungs hard. Pressure builds and builds. It is a cannon ready to fire. Fire! The mouth opens. The air explodes out at 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, faster than a car on a highway. The dust particle is ejected along with 40,000 droplets. You didn't just itch, you literally launched a biological airstrike to save your lungs.